Towards Airline X-ray, flighting 175, runway 20, cleared for takeoff.
Departure Air Shuttle 4033, 1900 for 5,000.
Air Shuttle 4033, departure radar contact, climb and maintain 15,000.
15,000, Air Shuttle 4033.
United 1310.
Yeah, 1310, go ahead, sir.
You know what United means?
Go ahead.
Usually never in time, expect delays.
Okay.
Is that right or not for you guys?
I haven't heard that one.
You heard the Spirit one?
No.
Savage, people in rows, incredibly terrible.
Nice.
Brickyard 5602, connect departure 12085.
Departure 12085, take care, Brickyard 5602.
Air Shuttle 4033, turn left 280.
Left 280, Air Shuttle 4033.
That Spirit one was going, right?
Awesome.
United 1310, connect departure 11817. United 1310, connect departure 11817.
187, United 1310.
No fact.
Looking 664 Mike.
Yeah, no factor. American 1031, turn left 310, traffic, no factor.
Heading 310, American 1031.
American 1031.
Yeah, American 1031.
Heard what American means?
Do I?
Do you know what American means? Like an acronym for your guys' airline?
What's that?
You never heard it?
No.
You're gonna like it.
Let's hear it.
Always making every route incredibly complicated and nerve-wracking.
That sounds about right.
November 4 Mike Victor, climb to 15,000. November 4 Mike Victor, climb to maintain 15,000.
Climb maintain 15,000, 664 Mike Victor.
I had the suspense going for you, didn't I, American?
You did.
You know Spirit?
What's theirs?
Savage, people in rows, incredibly terrible.
Also pretty accurate.
Yeah, I know, right? Denver 5451, departure 12085.
2085 and Denver 5451.
Departure, Brickyard 4579 with you, 2.6 for 5.
Oh, you heard all that?
Yes, we did.
Brickyard 4579, radar contact, climb and maintain 15,000, turn left 340.
15,000 left 340, Brickyard 4579.